Hey guys, Rob from Expedition Team Overland here on location at ZARGES in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is their North American facility where they put all the cases together for their customers. The cases are made in Germany, then shipped over here to Charlotte, where they are then distributed either as an empty case for the consumer, or they do custom foam inserts for various customers, everything from military to farm to medical, and everything in between. But the one we're going to be doing today is Starlink. I know a lot of the Overlanders, we're all using Starlinks these days. I'm not using it yet. I'm still liking to be completely off grid when I'm out camping. But a lot of people are using the Starlink, and as it is a tech piece, you want to keep it secure from Jocelyn. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the process of how they make their custom foam inserts on CAD. Then they take them to the water jet, cut them, and then they put them in the inside of their case with this high temperature glue. And then now all your stuff is super secure and good for all types of stuff. These cases are phenomenal. I use them every time I hit the road. I use them to keep all my recovery gear, because I have a small one for my recovery gear, so I can just grab and go, and then I have another one for all my kitchen equipment. So let's go inside and see how they make a Starlink case. All right, so we're here with Jeff, and he's working with his CAD on the Starlink. And so, Jeff, take us through how you what you do when you get a product in for making the foam inserts.
Okay, well, the customer, in this case Starlink, they sent us a package of all of the components that they wanted to put in a case. The cables, this is the modem, and then the power cord for the modem, and of course the base and the antenna. And they wanted to store it in there, so they also wanted it to be able to be something where they could take the thing and use the same case and set it up and use it without having to take everything away from the case. So first of all, we had to come in here and figure out how we're going to position everything in here and get it all set in place first. So this is basically what it looks like. You know, just I got everything down in there where everything looked like it fit fairly secure. And then they also wanted to be able to set it up. So what we did in this case is the base stores in this slot, and then we take it up and set it in this slot, which is what you see here. And you can actually see it in both places, but that's where it's taken up and set in place. So then anyway, so the reason all the different colors, I typically don't do that, but this got pretty intricate. So I just did that so I wouldn't get confused looking at this. And so we set everything in there. This is set down in place there. And then this is on here so that when the lid closes, it keeps everything nice and solid, doesn't let anything bounce around. And let's see, let me hide this stuff. And then we get everything placed where we need it, get all the pockets that I feel like it's going to hold everything securely. And then I commence to designing the foam. And that's what it took on this specific one.
So how many layers are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers.
8 layers, and then those are all individually cut, and we'll be seeing that on the laser yes. The water jet cutter next.
Yes. So we can. So basically, that's everything put back together. And they have to each one of those layers is cut individual, and then the production people put it together. And once they're done, it's solid and it won't be moved again.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, let's go see how it's got on the water jet now.
All right.
All right, so here we are at the water jet. This is really cool. I've never seen this in work before. You can't even see the water. It's like, I thought there'd be water splashing, but it's like invisible water. It's really cool, but it's making all the cuts. All right, so now after it comes out of the water jet, we're going to put it inside the case, and that's how we're going to put them in the cases. And then here is the final product of a Starlink that you can buy on ZARGES' website. I'll have a link in the description. Starlink not included, but this is how you can keep your Starlink all nice and secure for all your travels. All right, guys, what a fantastic day it was here, seeing the application process from the CAD to the water jet to putting into the case of the Starlink. You can get the Starlink on ZARGES' website. I'll put a link in the description below on how to buy this this case from them with the foam and all that. Want to thank Olaf and the ZARGES team here in Charlotte for a fantastic day of hospitality, showing me around, and I look forward to working with them in the future. If you go to my links, I have a 10% off coupon for your first purchase with ZARGES, so make sure to use that for your future purchases. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll forward it over to the ZARGES team, or you can find them at zarges.com. Thanks a lot, Olaf, and everyone. We'll catch you later.